Welcome to my vlog mga guys. Ito po guys, ginagawa namin trabaho guys. Ito guys. Ito guys, yung trabaho namin to guys. Ito guys, trabaho to namin guys. Ito. Trabaho namin to sa steel fixer. Ito guys. Ito trabaho namin guys. Ito guys, yun. Ito guys, trabaho namin guys. Ito guys. Ito guys, trabaho namin to guys. Yun. Yun guys. Ito guys. Yun guys. Trabaho namin yun guys. Yun guys. Yun guys. Welcome to my vlog mga guys. Mag-share na kayo, mag-like. Dito lang sa gwapo ko. Guys. Ito guys. Oh. Sige guys.
বলে না কি কি আমি অত জানি না
My friend, yes.
Ito.
My friend, good morning.
রিয়াদে ওখানে কাজ চলছে কোন নম্বরে কাজ চলছে
This one is India.
ইন্ডিয়া
He is a base worker in cleaning.
Why cleaning? I
Carpenter.
trade.
Yes,
Trade man. Why
trade
cleaning?
carpenter, but he is actually finish the work, then he clean the area. And this one is steel fixer, India.
Oh, still fixer, carpenter.
Carpenter.
Oh,
Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh new coming
channel
in case A. And this one Pakistan.
Salary problem?
Pakistan is
No, Bengali,
huh?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh
Carpenter.
is working here.
Carpenter.
My partner working. This person.
Friend.
And
good friend
you like and to share and to comment my Gwapo Ako Vlog. Hanggang dito lang tayo mga guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood guys. Thank you so much.
Bangladesh, Jindabad.